Namaskar. So let's just wait for everyone to join in and then we start. Hi. Hi Kalpana, how are you? Let's just wait for more people to join in and then we start introducing. Hi Rahul Verma. Hi Karma. Thank you all for joining in. Hi Arjun. Hello everyone. Okay, since we are here, so let me just start the session. Namaskar and a heartfelt welcome to you all to Fun Scripted with Saloni. Today we are going to talk about something very, very important, that is yoga. And our yoga expert, Sanham, is going to tell about all you want to know about yoga since... hello, Mama. My mother is here. Hi, Pooja. Okay, let's not delay it. Actually, Sanam is already here, so we'll just invite her and then introduce her as well. Okay, I just invited her. Hi, Vikas. Hi, Pankudi. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about yoga, which is very, very important for all of us. And it not only strengthens your physical body, but inner soul too. एंड आजकल सबको पता है, मतलब सब लोग, हम लोग सब यही बात करते हैं कि योगा ऐसे करना चाहिए या वैसे करना चाहिए, बट वी आर नॉट क्लियर कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए. एंड स्पेशली आजकल हम लोग को लगता है कि योगा इज ओनली फॉर एक्सरसाइज या पतले होने के लिए, सिंस सबको पतला होना, everybody wants to be fit and lose some weight and calories and all that, but yoga is not only to look ब्यूटिफुल बाहर से, बट अंदर से भी इट गिव्स यू अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी, एंड वो अपने मुंह पे आपके जो ग्लो आता है वो सिर्फ योगा से आता है. So let's just talk about it. I actually invited Sanham, but let me do it once more. Okay. Yes. Sanham, say hi if you're there. I can't see you. Okay. Hi, Mahesh Ahuja. Hi, Geeta. Thank you so much. You're a sweetheart. Okay, I'm unable to add Sanham. Sanham, can you please send a request to join in since I'm unable to add you? Okay. Okay, sent. Okay. अच्छा सनम, थोड़ा आई थिंक अगेन नेटवर्क का इशू जो होता है वो हो रहा है शायद. आई एम अनेबल टू सी हर. तो हम लोग बात करते हैं. तो एनीबडी वांट्स टू टॉक अबाउट समथिंग स्पेसिफिक? आप लोग सब योगा करते हैं कि नहीं करते हैं, कि सिर्फ घर पे सिर्फ कुक 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 हो रहा है? Okay, can you all hear me? I don't. Okay, okay. All right. Hi, Swati. Hi, Himanshu. Okay, finally. Okay, she's here. Yay! So we are connected.
Finally.
Yes. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
वेरी वेल थैंक यू हमको बहुत सारी आपकी जो भी एक्सपर्टीज है स्पेशली योर एरियल योगा ओ माय गॉड यू आर जस्ट अमेजिंग पीपल शी डज एरियल योगा एंड शी फ्लाइज इन द एयर वो हमें पूछना पड़ेगा कैसे विदाउट विंग्स शी फ्लाइज विच इज जस्ट अमेजिंग और मैं सच में आई रियली वांट टू लर्न इट सीरियसली
You should come. You
सो
stay very close by.
यस 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 आई हैव टू बस ये लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाए नहीं तो आप मुझे ऐसे ऑनलाइन सेशन दे दो इट विल बी इवन बेटर मैं घर पे बैठ के अपने बच्चों के साथ आई विल डू एरियल योगा
I know.
okay so let's just introduce you once again I've been doing that since
Yeah, I
since
saw
I
the food.
joined in
Yeah.
yeah I know you were there and I don't know what happened we were not able to
Get connected.
come get you on live yes so अच्छा पहले तो व्यूअर्स प्लीज आप अपने अपने क्वेश्चंस रेडी रखो और प्लीज आस्क अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज मतलब हम लोग की जो भी डाउट्स होते हैं योगा के लिए मेरे पास तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं बट आई विल मेक श्योर कि मैं पहले आपके क्वेश्चंस को आंसर दूं मतलब क्वेश्चंस पूछूं एंड देन आई विल आस्क माय ओन क्वेश्चंस बट यस इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस एंड फॉर एवरीबडी बच्चों के लिए भी इनफैक्ट सो इम्पोर्टेंट योगा क्योंकि अंदर से भी यू गेट सो मच इनर स्ट्रेंथ एंड I don't know, mind, body, soul. It's a connection between mind, body, and soul. तो rather than me talking, I think आप better हो बताने के लिए. तो please start and please tell me what is yoga first of all, so that we all know it in a correct form.
Okay. Yoga basically union of mind, body, and soul. Okay. The yoga itself, the meaning itself is like union of mind, body, and soul. ओके व्हेन पीपल से योगा जब लोग बोलते हैं कि योगा तो सिर्फ सोचते हैं कि आसन करना नहीं उसका पूरा कॉम्बिनेशन होता है मेडिटेशन ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज देन डूइंग आसना sleeping on time eating on time everything yes the whole
basically your lifestyle basically your
yeah,
lifestyle you have
basically,
changed
that's
that
called
completely
yoga
correct
so that's
okay
what
तो
yoga
आपने ओके आपने कहाँ कहाँ और कब कब सीखा योगा व्हेन डिड यू रियली थिंक कि मुझे आई एम श्योर मैं भी मेरा भी बहुत मन करता है मैं योगा जाके सीखूं बट आई हो नहीं पाता है बट व्हेन डिड यू थिंक कि आई वांट टू लर्न व्हेन डिड यू बिकॉज योगा ऐसे नहीं कर सकते यू कांट रियली डू समथिंग व्हिच यू डोंट लाइक तो इसमें बहुत ज्यादा डेडिकेशन चाहिए राइट
यस दैट्स ट्रू
तो आपको कब लगा कि
मुझे योगा करना चाहिए
जी जी हाँ कि मतलब प्रोफेशनली सीखना चाहिए एंड यू वांट टू टीच अदर्स टू बिकॉज अपने लिए सीखना इज डिफरेंट एंड टीचिंग अदर्स इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग ऑल टुगेदर
I know. Actually, I'm sure few of my viewers and few of my followers they know why I actually learned yoga. Actually, ये हुआ था कि मेरी बहुत सारे सर्जरीज हो चुके थे. मुझे एंडोमेट्रोसिस का प्रॉब्लम था तो उसकी वजह से जहाँ पे वर्कआउट करने जाती थी वहाँ पे योगा टीचर सिखाने आती थी ही इज अ टीचर इन योगा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मुंबई सो ही यूज्ड टू टेल मी सनम योगा कर तू ठीक हो जाएगी योगा कर but then that point of time you only think about like now I have a better understanding of yoga that point of time for me it's like oh sorry ये तो इतना boring आसना बैठ के ओम करना
I know बैठे रहो I know
तो ऐसे मैंने
it's so slow and mostly जो वर्कआउट करते हैं मतलब जिम में जैसे मैं भी मुझे इनिशियली मतलब मुझे वेट्स क्या होता है वहाँ पे अच्छा जल्दी से वेट्स करे एंड रन किया एंड ऑल दैट यू फील दैट
exactly
और यहाँ पे क्या है शांति से मतलब एकदम शांत होके आराम से बैठकर एंड देन अच्छे से फॉर्म में बैठना टू होल्ड द आसन्स एंड एवरीथिंग इज
तो मैं सर को बोलते सर बाद में टालते गए then when I did my like the fifth the last surgery then I just said I just can't take it anymore then my husband also suggested तुम इतना सर बोले योगा ट्राई तो करके देखो क्या पता ठीक हो जाए, you know, like that. So that is when I went to him and I learned yoga. And my gynecologist also said, Sanon, start doing yoga also. It's really going to heal you. So that is when I went to him to learn yoga. जब मैंने एक साल पूरा कंप्लीट करना शुरू किया, तब मैंने देखा, जब मैंने MRI किया उसके बाद, my cyst, my everything was completely gone. Like I was cured,
Wow.
I was healed. Yeah. So that is when
Wow,
I
that's
said, no, if
amazing.
yoga can heal me, then I really need to learn and help lot of people. So that is
Yeah,
when I decided I need to learn yoga. So, and then my
very,
whole
very
intention
nice.
was not to teach, like, you know, to conduct classes or anything. It was for myself. But eventually ऐसा हो गया कि
Initially, of course.
हाँ, तो क्लास जब जैसे मैंने सीख के खत्म हुआ तो like I had lot many friends का friend किसी का ये problem था, वो problem था. So that is when I just, you know, everything started falling in place, and that's how I started my yoga journey.
Wow, that so basically, first of all, आपके जो गुरु थे, जिन्होंने आपको बोला कि you should, you know, he started telling you, and then your husband forced you कि
I
जाओ
know.
करो, and then of course, yeah, various other people. So basically, yes, वो तो चाहिए ही होता है actually motivation और पीछे से push करने के लिए एक कोई ना कोई चाहिए होता है. Mostly husbands होते हैं करने के लिए, ये तो boyfriends भी होते हैं, but
I
yeah.
know.
अभी क्या बोले अभी आई एम श्योर देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर नॉट मैरिड तो बॉयफ्रेंड्स
Yeah.
गर्लफ्रेंड्स जो भी है सब और भाई बहन भी होते हैं यार ऐसा कुछ नहीं है
सही है.
so they are basically your family members who just push you to do something
Yeah.
really good and basically जो आपकी स्टोरी से पता चला है कि आप अपने लिए करना चाहते थे but since you know after getting into it you know how important it is for everyone and you want to impart the knowledge. That's
Yes.
amazing. And I think सारे जो भी मोस्टली जो योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर्स है जिन्होंने जो पहले का एशियन बिकॉज योगा बहुत अलग 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 तरीके से आ चुका है अभी आई डोंट नो क्या क्या नाम है आप ही मुझे बता दो प्लीज क्या क्या नाम है योगा के जो आजकल बहुत ज्यादा
Actually,
फैशन में इन ट्रेंड है.
this the base of yoga itself is Hatha Yoga, the Patanjali Yoga. You know, that's a
Yes,
combination
yes,
of
पता I know.
Kriyas, Pranayam, then your
Yes,
asana, everything. Then
yes.
from there came lot many. Now you have Ashtanga Yoga, then you have Iyengar Yoga, then you have Aerial Yoga, then you have Sculpt Yoga, then you have
अच्छा
Intense Yoga.
एरियल योगा तो आई थिंक हाँ वो बट एरियल योगा तो इज लाइक कम्प्लीटली आई एम सो फैसिनेटेड मतलब वो हवा में उड़ने वाला फीलिंग है ना वो ही मुझे देख कर इतनी खुशी होती है मतलब वाओ ऊपर हवा में आई विश आई कुड मेक यू यू नो डू दैट आप अगर अपने स्टूडियो में होते ना मैं पक्का बोलती आपको प्लीज एक तो कुछ हवा में उड़ के मुझे दिखा दो ताकि सबके सब होते हो गॉड आई वांट टू डू दिस
I would love to.
या डेफिनेटली वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट बट अभी क्या करें सब
Yeah,
आप लोग
because
सब
of the
प्रार्थना
lockdown,
कीजिए
yeah.
कि कोरोना खत्म होए
खत्म
और
हो
हम
गया.
लोग और भी अच्छे अच्छे सेशंस कर पाए ओके
True.
सो और मुझे आपसे प्राणायाम के बारे में आई विल आस्क यू लेटर बट आप मुझे ये बताओ पहले कि सिंस कोरोना वी बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट कोरोना सो इज देयर एनीथिंग स्पेसिफिक यू कैन डू to increase your immunity? Is there any asan which you would like to suggest that increases your immunity and fights? Because corona, we all know that immunity हमारी strong होगी तो we can fight it back.
Okay.
So
Right
any
now,
asan or anything?
asan, you can do lot many asan. Okay, there's no particular like that. But yes, pranayam जैसे कपाल भाती है, भस्त्रिका है, अनुलोम विलोम है. So that really increases your lungs capacity, keeps your lungs healthy, and you know you can boost up your immune system doing that. So
And I
जैसे
think
आपने
kids
बताया,
can do it well. मतलब बहुत easy है क्योंकि वो आसन
हाँ,
मतलब प्राणायाम is very easy basically.
actually it is very easy.
Yes.
Actually pranayam 15 minutes in a day, that's a minimum. You should definitely
Okay,
do that.
okay. I was about to ask you that. आपने पहले ही बोल दिया. ओके ओके सो बेसिकली प्राणायाम करना चाहिए सबको और यस आई डोंट नो सबको पता है कितने तरह के प्राणायाम होते हैं वो भी बता दो बिकॉज आई एम श्योर हमारे व्यूअर्स को हो सकता है ना पता हो तो
There
लेट्स
are
जस्ट टॉक अबाउट दैट आल्सो
there are lot many pranayams, but the basic which everybody can do is anulom vilom, नारी शोधन, जो हम लोग सब लोग बोलते हैं, अनुलोम विलोम तो बच्चे बच्चे भी जानते हैं आजकल, स्कूल में भी जैसे
I know.
एटलीस्ट वेरी वन गुड थिंग इज दैट दे हैव इंट्रोड्यूस योगा इन स्कूल
रामदेव बाबा
नाउअडेज.
की देन है ये.
हाँ, रामदेव बाबा की देन है. That's a very good thing. Like, you know, we are going
Yes,
back
it
to
is.
our
It
roots
is.
actually. Yeah.
Yes, very
So,
important. Yes.
so everybody knows Anulom Vilom what it is. So I suggest that's a very good, and every day Anulom Vilom is something which you can do it every day, and you should include every day doing this Anulom Vilom. Okay.
Okay,
And
there's a question for you before I miss it because there are a lot of people joining in.
okay.
What is the best time to do yoga?
The best time to do yoga is in the morning. But if you are looking for strain, it's like, you know, intense ashtang जो बहुत flexibility जरूरी होता है, evening time is good because by then your body opens up. But the best time to do is early in the morning on an empty stomach.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, हाँ वो
But
तो
then
बहुत
if you
important
can't
है. I
stay
know.
or go without it, just you can have a cup of tea or a glass of milk, something like that, you know, or 2 bananas. You can go ahead doing yoga with that. But empty stomach, yes. Like I said, like, you know,
But most of the asanas we can't do, if we eat something. How much hours gap should be there? अच्छा, in case सुबह नहीं कर सकते हैं.
at least 2 hours gap. अगर heavy meal हुआ
Okay.
तो 2 to 3 hours. और अगर
Okay.
something like, you know, light meal, एक सैंडविच खा लिया, हल्का सा सैंडविच खा लिया, या एक चपाती खा
अच्छा,
लिया.
स्नैक टाइम के
Yeah.
बाद बेसिकली 2
हाँ,
घंटे
so
का
then
गैप
at least,
होना चाहिए एंड
after
देन.
an hour, yeah.
Okay, can you build your immune system with yoga? Yes, Bhakti, actually she just told us. So I don't know whether she was there.
Yeah.
Okay, just answer that once again. Probably she just joined. So can we build our immune system with yoga?
Yes,
Since
you
you said
can
yes
build your
and
immune system with yoga, yes, and that's
and
how.
through pranayama.
And touch wood, by God grace, like I said, मेरी योगा करते करते हैं.
You're the
आज तक
live
मुझे बाहर से
live
medicine लेना
example.
नहीं पड़ा है. कुछ भी हो, सर दर्द हो, थोड़ा दर्द हुआ,
Oh
थोड़ा
God.
आसन कर लिया, स्ट्रेचेस कर लिया, बस खत्म. टैबलेट्स नहीं,
Oh my
कुछ
God.
नहीं.
Superb. और क्या चाहिए? Seriously. तो अच्छा आप तो
Sorry, I can see
yes.
one question, Ashutosh. I think my day routine is very bad and disturbed. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the
Ashutosh
question? I can't see it actually.
my day routine is very bad and disturbed. He has written. Ashutosh ji,
So basically
ये
he
तो
must be asking कि कब कर सकते हैं योगा.
हाँ, but you can do it in the morning. If you can't get up in the morning, evening time is the best to do. And pranayam again, like early in the morning, best time to do, and after sunset, that's the best time to do pranayam. And
Why after sunset? But
this in it's written like, you know, it's better to do after sunset and before sunrise. But of course, with our daily life,
Okay.
with busy, we are so busy nowadays. We can't get up early in the
Yes.
morning. जो पहले परदादी लोग 4 बजे उठ जाते थे, हम लोग तो उठ नहीं पाते हैं सुबह.
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. बात भी मत करो. I think 4 बजे सोते हैं सब आजकल. ये जो फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम और ये सब है, 4 बजे हमको नींद आती है. We sleep at 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Yeah, but that's a long term. We damage our body. But if you can try to get
Yes,
the body rhythm in the, like, you know, the natural way, like, you know, try to have your meal, dinner by at least 7:30. Then wait for another 4-5 hours before going to your bed. You know, always better to have a light meal. Then go early to sleep. Get up in the morning. Go on with your daily activities. That's the best.
But I think dinner के बाद if you eat dinner and then you say 4-5 hours का gap, तो बीच में बोलेंगे कुछ तो दे दो खाने के लिए.
Then I think probably
I'm sure वो होगा.
you can definitely have 1 glass of milk. That is perfectly fine.
Oh my God, she is quite strict, people. Only milk, nothing else. Okay, good. ठीक है, तो 4 घंटे तक आप कुछ नहीं खा सकते हैं, सिर्फ दूध पीजिएगा. और जिसको दूध अच्छा ना लगे वो क्या करे?
They can have soup. Soup पी सकते हैं.
Oh. नहीं तो पानी पे जियो.
Best.
Best है वो. अच्छा, Ashu is still asking. Ashutosh is saying, so what can I do? What should I do? What time should I do? Okay, वो तो हमने आंसर कर दिया कि शाम को करना चाहिए.
And I can see one more question. I want to reduce my tummy fats. Okay, That's the
प्लीज,
worst part
वो
of
तो
your
बहुत
body.
इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Trust me on that. You know, you can reduce every part of your body, but your belly fats is the last part that will go. You
Which
really need
goes
to
away,
work
I
on it.
know.
Yeah, you need
बट
to
क्या है, अच्छा
reduce.
प्लीज, ये तो मैं भी दोनों कान पे हेडफोन लगा लेती हूँ और मैं भी सुन लेती हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे भी बहुत मेहनत चाहिए.
Best
Oh
is
God, tell me
to
about it.
best is to reduce your carbs intake. You know, increase more of
Okay.
raw vegetables. You know, soup, raw, like green juices. You
Greens.
can, yeah, green juices, and then you all these fruit juices you can have. And to do lot of, like, it's not advisable to do it every day. अगर आप apps में काम कर रहे हो, आज कोई आसन ऐसे कर लिया, जैसे नौकासन है, जो एप्स के लिए प्लान कर लिया, तो एक दिन आपने क्या, एक दिन गैप देना बहुत जरूरी है. एक ही मसल को आप 2 दिन कंटिन्यूसली नहीं करा सकते, क्योंकि मसल को भी टाइम लगता है रिकवर करने के लिए. सो एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डे प्लीज इंक्लूड्स asanas which focus on your core. Like, you can go in my Instagram page. There's one video also where I have uploaded video 5 asana where you can do specifically for your abdomen, flat belly and all.
Okay,
So
okay.
I am
So,
sure
but
that
what are
should help
those?
you out.
What are those 5 asanas? Can you do that every day? Can you do
No,
those
that's
5
not
asanas
every
every day?
day. It's not advisable to do it because your body also needs, if you're working on a particular muscle, it needs time to recover it. Okay, when you work on it, there's
Yes.
always a little minute wear and tear on the muscles. So you need to give a rest, and then every alternate day you can work on your abs. And of course, you need to do a lot of cardio if you're looking for weight loss. So one day cardio,
Okay.
one day you can take up your legs, your abdomen.
So
and then
what basically? Can you name few asanas? Those 5 asanas. Can you name those 5 asanas which you should do for belly fat? And then cardio में क्या कर सकते हैं? योगा मुझे अभी ये नहीं पता
कार्डियो
है.
में तो
योगा में
सूर्य
कार्डियो.
नमस्कार इज द बेस्ट. आप पहले
ओके,
स्टार्ट कर सकते
वो
हो.
तो रोज कर सकते हैं हम लोग.
वो रोज कर सकते हैं वो का. तो डिपेंड करता है.
हम्म.
जैसे मैंने बोला है, सूर्य नमस्कार को आप स्ट्रेचिंग के हिसाब से भी कर सकते हैं, आप वेट लॉस के हिसाब से कार्डियो भी कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि स्ट्रेचिंग के
Okay.
हिसाब से कर लिया तो एक आसन में आप जो पहले आसन में वहां पे वेट करेंगे, स्ट्रेच आउट करेंगे, ब्रीथ करेंगे,
होल्ड करना है बेसिकली.
होल्ड करेंगे बेसिकली.
कितनी देर होल्ड करना चाहिए? इफ यू डू वन आसन एज लाइक वन पोजीशन जो होती है सूर्य नमस्कार की, वो कितनी देर होल्ड करना चाहिए? मिनिमम हाउ मच एंड मैक्सिमम हाउ मच?
5 breath you can hold. In every asana, the maximum benefit you get is at least holding one asana for a minute. पर अभी तो ऐसे
Okay.
इतना किसी के पास टाइम नहीं, उस लोगों को बहुत जल्दी जल्दी होता है. 10 सेकेंड हुआ नहीं कि नेक्स्ट पे आना है.
I know, and it's quite difficult. It's quite difficult. You need a lot of practice.
So 5 breath is more than enough for a beginner to start. You can stay in that asana for 5 breath, then come. So then that Surya Namaskar becomes more like a stretching, okay? But if you want
Okay,
to do like a
great.
cardio, you need to do fast. So when you are doing
Okay,
it fast,
all
that
right.
becomes cardio. तो पहले स्टार्टिंग
Okay.
में 10 कर लिया, फिर 10 के बाद 16 इंक्रीज कर लिया, 16 के बाद 20 कर लिया. तो वैसे इंक्रीज करते करते जाएंगे तो that's a best cardio. It's like a full body workout हो जाता है.
Full body workout.
हाँ.
I agree.
जिस दिन workout.
But you know what? I don't know whether I can tell you or not. But वैसे normally सूर्य नमस्कार में भी ना there is lot of confusion people have.
Okay.
कोई लोग कुछ किसी और तरीके से करते हैं और कोई is it okay if they skip a step in between और या थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो जाए तो does it matter या
Doesn't
it's
matter.
okay,
As
doesn't
long
matter?
as you're doing it, doesn't matter. Because nowadays
Okay, so
अभी
it's
तो
okay.
बहुत सारा वेरिएशन निकल आया है सूर्य नमस्कार के.
I know there are a lot of
Yeah. So intentionally.
सब चीज हो.
But as long as you're doing any one of the variation, that's perfectly fine. तो कर सकते
Okay.
हैं.
Okay, I would like to, there are a lot of people who have joined in. So let's just say hello. सबसे पहले मैं वसीर भैया को hello बोलना चाहती हूँ because he is my trainer and he is just amazing. I used to work out with him in Delhi. So
Oh.
वसीर भैया, I'm so glad that you have joined. And वो तो बहुत ही amazing है. I wish I was in Delhi तो मैं उनके साथ पक्का workout करती. So, and he has immense knowledge. Not yoga, but I don't know yoga ka, but otherwise also for body and everything, he's won a lot of competitions and everything. So I'm so glad he's joined us. And hi Himanshu, hi Saurabh. My kids are also there. My father-in-law is also there. So a lot of people have just joined in. So yeah, hi Nidhi, my sister is there. Oh, she loves yoga, by the way. Nidhi, if you have any questions, please ask. She's also brilliant. she's not learned it, but yeah, करती है वो yoga. So anyways, तो basically सूर्य नमस्कार, coming back to our सूर्य नमस्कार, तो normal सूर्य नमस्कार is cardio. और अगर फास्ट करते हैं तो कार्डियो, if you go slow then it is your stretching basically. If you hold
and
it.
getting benefits of each and every asana. There are 12 asanas
Okay.
including in that.
Okay, okay. तो एक मिनट लगाओ, 12 मिनट लगाना पड़ेगा. Okay. तो और आई नो, और बेली फैट के लिए प्लीज मुझे बताओ कौन से नाम बोलो, जल्दी से आसन के नाम बोलो. एवरीबडी इज गोइंग टू गूगल इट एंड गोइंग टू सी क्या है आसन, कैसे करना है, अभी करने चले जाएंगे सबके साथ.
You can do Navasana.
सारी फीमेल्स नौका आसन. ओके.
Okay.
That's very difficult. Oh my god. How, and you have to hold it also, right?
Yes, you need to hold it at least for 30 seconds.
And how long should you? 30. Minimum 30 you start, and then kitna maximum how much? Is there a limit?
You can hold it for 45 seconds, 1 minute. But by 1 minute you'll be really tired. You want to give up. The most important
you'll be dead. Shaking.
The most important thing when you're doing abdominal exercise and all on any asana which includes a core and an abdomen, it's how to engage your core. बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जैसे आसन करते हैं जो अपने बैक से स्पाइन या बैक से पकड़ते हैं.
बैक हर्ट. yes.
तो बाद में उन लोग की पीठ दर्द होना शुरू हो जाता है. they start getting back.
Very true.
So it is very important. आप योगा जब भी करो तो पहले आप एक ट्रेनर को पकड़ लो जो योगा जानते हैं, उससे सीखो.
वो आप हो.
Get used to. I would love to.
सब पकड़ लो इनको. सब के सब.
अगर फिर once you get used to that, you know the alignment and everything about that आसन, then आप अपने घर में खुद प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. ठीक है. बेली फैट के लिए एक नौकासन कर लिया आपने, दूसरा भुजंग आसन कर लिया, सलभ आसन कर लिया. ठीक है. संतुलन आसन कर लिया. या द प्लैंक
सलभ. ओके.
या then plank कर लिया, then संतुलन आसन कर लिया आपने. तो वो सब भी कर लिया ना, that is more than enough for
30 seconds if you hold it basically. और कितनी बार करना चाहिए if you hold? एक बारी is enough? One time?
एक आसन 3 बार आप करोगे.
अच्छा, minimum 3 times करना चाहिए. 30 seconds.
And then again come back and then again do it again.
तो बीच में कितना टाइम का रेस्ट होना चाहिए?
आप बिगिनर्स प्लीज आप फट से एकदम पूरा 1-1 मिनट मत कीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट डे आप
आई डोंट थिंक सो हो सकता है 1 मिनट. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल ओनली. आप मुझसे पूछ लो. 1 मिनट इम्पॉसिबल. हाँ, 30 seconds ऑल्सो वेरी डिफिकल्ट. यार नहीं हो सकता. नौका आसन तो मैं तो पागल हो जाती हूँ. इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट. इट्स रियली. हाँ, इनिशियली जो भी आप कंफर्टेबल है बेसिकली. You don't have to push yourself, right? Yoga is best thing is you don't have to push basically, and just जितना आप comfortable है उतना करना चाहिए. And we have to make sure कि हमारी बैक में स्ट्रेस नहीं आ रहा है. कहाँ पे पेन आ रहा है वो देखना है. अगर बैक में आ रहा है then just stop. You have to figure it out कि आपके जो जहाँ पे आप फैट कम करना चाहते हैं वहीं पर ही आपका प्रेशर आए और पेन होए. राइट?
यस.
ओके, ग्रेट. तो मैं सच ठीक समझ रही हूँ सब. आई एम श्योर सब लोगों को भी अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा है. हाँ, या आई एम श्योर मुझे भी आ रहा है समझ. एवरीबॉडी इज क्वाइट, या आई एम श्योर दे ऑल नो इट. ओके, ग्रेट. तो हमारा बेली फैट. ओके, एक और
वेरी गुड इन हिंदी.
अरे इट्स ओके, डजंट मैटर. I know that. अच्छा, one more question. Is yoga associated to any religion? Of course. हम लोग हिंदू. I mean, हमारा एशियन चीजें है. अच्छा, she's going to answer. Or does it promote any particular religion as suggested? Yes, please.
योगा कोई रिलीजन से एसोसिएट नहीं है. हाँ, लेकिन पुराण हिंदू क्या बोलते हैं, वेदास और पुराण में योग का मेंशन किया हुआ है. आपको you'll be surprised to know my Guruji is Muslim. Okay, the one who taught me, who healed me, he's a Muslim. So I think yoga has nothing to do with any religion. As long as you are getting benefited, you don't have to see what religion, what. I think we should not get something like, yoga is something so pure and so nice, so we should not get religion into it. As long as you're getting benefit, I think you should just accept it and take it.
I know, Ashutosh, I think you should do yoga and then you will forget about religion.
Yeah.
And only think about, purity of soul.
Yes, it's true.
So highly recommended, Ashutosh, for you. Please join yoga. Sunham Studio. Yeah, it's in
Yes.
Mumbai. It's in
Sunham
Mumbai.
Yoga, but
Sunham.
because
Acha,
of
ठीक है. One more thing. Apart from yoga, I want to ask about you.
okay,
What exactly your name means? I'm sure
my
this is very unusual, you know.
yes, it
सब
means
पहले ऐसे
fragrance.
देखता होगा कोई भी ना. Okay, okay, fragrance. Wow, that's beautiful, you know. मुझे अभी यहीं पे ऐसे खुशबू आ रही है.
How nice.
No, but you are, you know, you can see that glow and the purity. I'm sure आपने कितने साल हो चुके हैं आपको practice करते हुए yoga?
Actually, practice करते हुए 4 साल हो गए हैं. More than 4 and
That's
a half years. In
wow,
fact, more
that's
than that,
nice. तो
on and off करते हुए, लेकिन but 4 साल से एकदम regularly, religiously, एक दिन भी miss नहीं करती हूँ.
okay,
जिस दिन miss हो जाता है
नहीं
ऐसा लगता है मैंने कुछ आज खाया नहीं, कुछ तो missing है life में.
कुछ मिसिंग है since you are of course so used to. तो आप भी सुबह करते हो, that's how you do it. अच्छा, कितने घंटे do you think you should invest during your
Yeah,
this
so
thing,
at least
the
1
yoga?
hour a day, 1 घंटा दिन में पूरे 24 आवर्स में 1 घंटा तो दे सकते हैं हम योगा में, और योगा 15 मिनट प्राणायाम में. I would
Okay,
always suggest to do
तो
pranayam.
okay for 15 minutes. अच्छा सर, हम अगर आपसे पूछें कि since you're saying 1 hour you should take out for yoga basically, तो क्या क्या आसन आप ये बोलो, सारे आसन you can't do every आसन every day, right?
No, you don't need to
Alternate day.
repeat. Yeah, that's what I say. You don't
Okay.
need to repeat one asan every day. Okay, you can pick a few asanas. Okay, today you want to work on this, so you just pick a few asanas of that, and then next day you can do the other one. Like जैसे मेरी classes होती है, तो Monday को very easy flow होता है. Tuesday को जितने खड़े हुए आसन से सब standing आसन हम लोग करते हैं. Wednesday को थोड़ा core और overall body हम लोग करते हैं. Thursday को मैं पूरा stretches कराती हूँ, सिर्फ stretching of the entire body. फिर फ्राइडे को
Okay.
थोड़ा इंटेंस कराते हैं ओवरऑल पूरा बॉडी का, जैसे सूर्य नमस्कार कर लिया, थोड़ा इंटेंस वाला सूर्य नमस्कार जल्दी जल्दी करा लिया.
Okay.
वो करते हैं.
Okay.
फिर जैसे कोर का आसन कर लिया, जैसे नौकासन कर लिया, संतुलन आसन, प्लैंक, वो सब कर लिया. तो फ्राइडे, क्योंकि 2 दिन का सैटरडे संडे ऑफ है, तो तुम्हारा बॉडी आपका
अच्छा,
बॉडी पूरा रिकवर होने के लिए चांस, लाइक यू नो यू
तो सैटरडे संडे आपका भी ऑफ होता है कि नहीं?
नहीं होता है.
तो आप करते हो सैटरडे संडे, अपने स्टूडेंट्स को बोलते हो आप छुट्टी ले लो.
पर एटलीस्ट दिन कुछ कर नहीं पाती हूँ तो कम से कम एटलीस्ट बैठ के प्राणायाम जरूर कर लेती हूँ और थोड़ा मेडिटेशन कर लेती हूँ मैं.
Okay, acha, this is another thing I want to ask you about meditation, because meditation is also one thing which everybody don't understand. मैंने अपने बहुत सारे previous you know अपने lives में भी पूछा है जो इससे related है. तो meditation basically क्या है? What do you call what is meditation according to
Meditation
you?
is when your mind doesn't wander, just get fixed in one thing, that is called meditation. Okay, there are many things you will see. There are guided meditation. Then you yourself can do meditation. आप 1 सेकंड के लिए भी अपने मन को स्थिरता ला सकते हो, उसी को meditation बोलते हैं. Like I had this question also in my last session when I did a live. You know, people say it's very difficult for their minds keep wandering. मैं बोलती हूँ आपके सांस पे, जब आप सिर्फ आंख बंद कर लो और अपने सांस पे फोकस कर लो, बस इतना ही काफी. 1 मिनट तक भी आप रहने लगे, then you are much more above than 1 crore lakh of people, like you know, because
So true,
many
so
people,
true.
yeah, not even for a second. I had students also when they came initially to me, not even for a second they could, you know, have their mind still. So of course in one
I think
day,
वो सबके साथ है.
एक दिन में आपको तो ये होगी नहीं.
बट वो कैसे आपको रियलाइज होता है? इज देयर एनीथिंग स्पेसिफिक जो आपको फील होता है जब आप मेडिटेट करते हो? तो व्हेन यू मेडिटेट, तो जैसे आप यू आर जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन योर ब्रेथ, राइट? दैट्स हाउ यू जस्ट थिंक अबाउट कि अंदर जा रही है एंड हाउ इट इज गोइंग एंड ऑल दैट, जो भी आप सोचते हैं, देन यू थिंक दैट. एंड इज देयर एनी स्पेसिफिक फीलिंग यू गेट, और इज देयर एनीथिंग स्पेसिफिक समथिंग दैट मेक्स यू फील कि हाँ अच्छा थोड़ी देर या 5 सेकंड ही मैंने मेडिटेशन की है? So what is that feeling?
जैसे आप जब मेडिटेट करते हो, जैसे हम लोग आंख बंद कर लेते हैं, 1000 थॉट्स आना शुरू हो गए. जैसे
Correct.
मोस्टली हम लोग की, हम औरतों लोगों को तो मेड आया या नहीं, कल मेड आएगी या नहीं, क्या बनाने देंगे, वो बनाने देंगे।
मत बात करो। This is my
और
happy zone.
ऑफकोर्स फॉर मैन वो लोग सोचेंगे, मेन वो लोग सोचेंगे ऑफिस में ये है वो है, वो सब थॉट्स। मतलब पहले जब आप करोगे, जैसे आपने पूछा कि कोई फीलिंग आता है, जब इनिशियली जब आप करते हो तो बहुत सारे थॉट्स आने लगेंगे। जैसे आप
Okay.
स्थिरता लाना शुरू करेंगे, जैसे आपके थॉट्स आने बहुत कमती हो जाएंगे, यू नो। देन एंड द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग माय गुरुजी आल्सो कीप्स टेलिंग मी एंड इन द क्लासेस, जब थॉट्स आते हैं ना, उस थॉट्स के ब्रांचेस मत बनाना। जैसे ठीक
Okay.
है, मुझे ऑफिस जाना है, ऑफिस के बाद क्या करना है वो मत सोचो।
Next.
ठीक है, ऑफिस जाना है, लेट इट कम, लेट इट गो। आप अगर फोर्स करोगे वो थॉट्स को ना, तो वो और मतलब पुश
बढ़ेगा,
करेंगे आपके
increase.
माइंड, इंक्रीज। सो यू डोंट पुश,
So
इफ
true.
द थॉट कम्स, लेट इट कम, लेट इट गो। यू कैन जस्ट स्टिल कम बैक, यू कैन
Basically,
कम
अपने
बैक, फोकस ऑन
दिमाग
योर ब्रीथ।
हाँ, तो
यस,
बेसिकली अपना दिमाग कंट्रोल मत कीजिए, जस्ट लेट इट फ्लो.
let it be, yeah, be with yourself, just
ओके,
focus on your breathing.
ठीक है.
And then
True.
initially on, of course, on a later stage, then you will start feeling like energy flowing. Then when I started initially जब मैं अपना स्थिरता मतलब mind, I started being able to started doing meditation. Then once start, you start feeling like some kind of energy pulling you. You'll see some people head has gone only to one side like this. Some people.
Really?
Yeah, it does. You
ये
feel
ऐसे
like
कैसे होता है? एक बारी फिर से. Really? I mean, this is something new. I'm sure everybody is. This is something new for everyone. आप प्लीज मुझे फिर से बताओ. क्या होता है बेसिकली? अच्छा, you can talk in English also. That's not a problem.
no. When I started actually doing meditation, and then
Okay.
of course in the beginning, like I said, my mind used to keep wandering here and there, and then
Yeah.
after a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, then I started and then I have come today. I'm proud and I'm very thankful to my Guruji, my Iftikhar sir, I would say, कि आज मैं अगर बोलूं कि मेरे सामने कोई बात भी कर रहा होगा, अगर मुझे उसकी बातें सुनना नहीं है, मैं उसकी शक्ल पे देख सकती हूँ और कुछ भी मुझे सुनाई नहीं देता है. So
That's just amazing. Really?
yes, it is
You can
amazing.
say
Like,
ऐसे मतलब ऐसे बंद कर लिए, shut down. हाँ?
yes, complete shutdown.
Like
I
that?
just look in the eyes of the person as if I'm listening and not even one word. And trust me, it has helped me when it comes to my husband.
People, everybody listen.
Yes.
Oh my,
Yes.
oh my God. Is your husband around? Is your husband around?
Yes, he's around. Actually,
Okay.
he's not listening, but it has
So
really helped me.
he's not listening. He's going to watch this
Clash, no
video
nothing.
for sure. Wow. मतलब
So
मुझे बात ही नहीं
yeah,
सुननी है. बोलते रहो.
so that much of power you have in meditation. Okay, like today, if I sit
मैं
and I say मुझे सिर्फ चिड़ियों की आवाज ही सुनना है, तो मुझे सिर्फ चिड़ियों की आवाज सुनाई देगी, मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं देगी. So that much of power.
तो अच्छा कितना टाइम हो चुका है आपको मेडिटेट करते हुए?
Like I said, around 4.5 years, like that. So yeah.
So meditation also you started along with it. अच्छा एक question आया, after how many days of delivery can we start yoga?
That only doctors say. See, if you are doing a C-section, I think you should just go slow.
Yeah.
जैसे हम इंडियंस लोगों को बहुत मतलब अभी थोड़ा अवेयरनेस हुआ है. बहुत सारे ऐसे होते हैं कि प्रेगनेंसी के बाद हम लोग की जो यहाँ के मसल्स होते हैं, सिक्स पैक्स, लड़कों का भी सिक्स पैक्स होता है, लड़की को भी सिक्स पैक्स होते हैं. वी ऑल गर्ल्स ऑल्सो हैव सिक्स पैक. Okay, if your baby is really big, your pregnancy, this muscles get separated here. Okay, sorry.
I can't see it.
Okay, here we have. So when your belly is quite big, your muscles, the six packs muscle, it gets separated. So it is very
Okay.
important to know whether how big the gap it is. So if it's big, there are particular asanas which you can do it and bring back the muscles together.
Please मुझे बता दो.
If you don't do it, then you will have a back pain, back problems.
Okay.
Like my sister-in-law
Okay.
also, she had like very heavy baby, like 4.5, and trust me, that one of time I didn't know about it because I was just doing
Okay.
yoga, but I was not learning, so I couldn't help
Okay.
her. But yes, she always has a back pain because it's been long. The moment you come to know that you have gap in your muscles, is on six pack, you really need to do few asanas and then do it. Like I said, traditional way is always better. हम लोग आजकल भूल गए, पहले जमाने में तो होता कि वो कॉटन साड़ी लपेटते पेट में.
हाँ, वो बांध देते थे. And now there are belts actually. There
Yeah,
are belts
but I
also which you
still
can
say that
tie.
cotton saree is better because that really
Better.
puts the muscle back. Yeah, and it pulls
Okay.
back and everything.
Okay.
And
Okay.
yeah, it's really nice. So go slow. Don't start off with like oh because I have to lose weight. बहुत सारे प्रेगनेंसी लोगों का यही होता है कि अभी प्रेग्नेंट हो गया, अभी मैं पेट निकल आया है, मोटी हो गई हूँ, अगली हो गई हूँ, ऐसा लगता है. But it is nothing like that. You are most beautiful. I mean, like
I
you
know
can
it is the
imagine what you
best
go
feeling
through. Yeah.
ever.
So please take
Yeah,
your
yeah.
time. Yeah, when you have to lose weight, you can start with very light yoga, like with the breathing and just few stretches and all. And then you please understand your body. If you think that your
Very
body
true.
cannot take it, please don't do it. Okay. Then you
Don't
can
push yourself.
slowly increase the intensity. Yes, I would say at least
Okay.
wait for a month. If it's a C-section,
Okay.
doctor will tell you to wait how fast you are healing. But if it's a normal delivery, I think after a month you can, but with very light yoga. Okay, nothing to go with very heavy or anything. Just do very light yoga.
Okay.
आशुतोष जी, मुझे आपका क्वेश्चन फिर से दिखाई दे रहा है. आई हैव नेक पेन, कैन आई डू योगा एज समवन सेड योगा विल एजिटेट इट. आशुतोष जी नहीं, मेरा सबसे पहला क्लाइंट वही था, सर्वाइकल प्रॉब्लम था, वर्टिगो प्रॉब्लम था. ट्रस्ट मी, उसको मेरा फर्स्ट क्लाइंट, शी हैड सो a bad problem issue. फर्स्ट क्लास करने के बाद उसका नेक्स्ट डे हाई फीवर हो गया. एंड दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट साइकोलॉजिस्ट के. मैं अपने गुरुजी के पास गई, तो सर को बोला, सर ऐसा ऐसा है, उसका तो बुखार हो गया, मैं क्या करूं. तो सनम, तूने दूसरों की प्रॉब्लम ठीक करने के लिए सीखा है, कुछ नहीं होगा, धीरे धीरे करा, ठीक हो जाए. एंड टुडे it just took 3 months for her. Okay, and after 3 months she couldn't even write, she couldn't do painting, she couldn't move. If she has to move, she has to move slowly like that. But today she is doing intense yoga. She does everything.
Wow.
Her vertigo is gone, everything was gone. Ashutosh ji, please yoga कीजिए. और लेकिन
everything will be fine.
Everything will be fine, but make sure that you catch hold of a very good yoga instructor
who has a lot of knowledge is very important.
Yes.
Yeah, very important. Acha, coming back to that pregnancy thing, since of course after pregnancy वो तो आपने बता दिया, but in case like people like me, जैसे मेरे बच्चे भी अब, like my kids are like 3-year old and still there are a lot of people who are like are unable to lose weight or maybe because of time constraint, whatever the reason be. So is it possible now, because since you said कि वो जल्दी तभी करना चाहिए, your muscle the gap अगर ज्यादा आ जाता है then it becomes difficult, but it is possible कि you become like your belly comes back in shape and everything, because मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है, to tell you that I was 56 kgs and I became 108 kgs in my first pregnancy and second also. So I was like huge. मतलब मुझे कोई नहीं पहचान सकता था. I was 108 and I'm not exaggerating. It was too much, just too much. तो मुझे नहीं पता था कि ऐसा कुछ होता है. I had thyroid also and I think you can heal thyroid. You can cure thyroid also with that Ujjain Asan.
No, Halasan is there. Then Viprit Karni is there. Bridge pose is there. Setu Bandhan. So these are the asanas which you can do it, which will help you for your thyroid.
Thyroid, okay. But what about that pregnancy का जो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि after a few years also can you do it? I mean, can you really lose that? Yes, I've seen a lot of females. क्या होता है कि जैसे 3 साल हो गए या 4 साल हो गए, now they have time, since kids have grown little bit and they can take care of little bit and they have little time for themselves, so they feel what normally मैंने भी बात किया बहुत लोगों से और बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि अब तो बिल्कुल कैसे करेंगे, it's become really bad and lose हो गया है बहुत tummy, and because stretch बहुत ज्यादा होता है, it's really difficult pregnancies में जब आपका stretch बहुत ज्यादा है and you don't have time to take care of yourself immediately after you deliver, तो बहुत time तक आपकी tummy basically बहुत lose हो जाती है. So how do you tighten that?
Like I said, few asanas are there where you need to do it and your tummy will definitely go in. Okay.
अच्छा, वो
Like
जो
I
5
said,
आसन आपने बोले हैं, that is okay. That is okay
that's
for
okay. You
कोई
can do
specific
that. You
आसन
can just
करने
go,
के लिए.
yeah, into my Instagram
Okay,
page. You can see that and all. That will
okay,
help you to even tighten your muscles also.
okay. There's a
And it is,
question. Okay.
huh,
Yes, yes. Please say, continue, and then we'll take this question.
like I said, the muscle suppression जो हो जाता है उसको पहले recover करना बहुत जरूरी है. If you don't get it back
Okay.
together, you will always have a lifelong back problem. So doctor can check it
True.
and you also can check it. Okay.
How do
So,
we check
but
that?
um, it's difficult to show right now, but you have to
Okay, all right.
lie down and bend your knees. Okay. You bend your
Okay,
knees
okay.
and then you feel your you feel this part. Okay, so when you see the muscles, you will feel a gap. Like a normal for us who doesn't have, you will not feel a gap. But the person who has a gap after the pregnancy, you will see gap here between this muscle.
Okay.
Right in the center. You need to lie down and bend your knees. Lying down, bend your knees, and then feel the gap. So if you feel after that
Okay.
you have a gap, then you need to do that. Just say bandna, belt pehenna. Okay, there are certain asanas like you lie down and pull your belly in so that the muscles come back together. Once you get that, once the muscles are back, then you can do any kind of core strengthening, and then
Okay.
exercises, toning of your belly, you can do that.
Okay. 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 तो बेसिकली जो पहले माना जाता था कि बांधना चाहिए immediately after you deliver, one thing that is we should continue doing.
Yes,
And
yes.
now also, okay, and now and even after few years, अगर आपको लगता है वो गैप है, तो अगर आप बांधते हैं बेल्ट से या कपड़े
Now,
से जो भी है,
sorry, I'm
नहीं,
sorry to interrupt.
there is
Now
no
it
use.
will not help. No, it will not really help you
Okay.
to this one. You
Okay.
should. That's what I said. After delivery, कुछ भी हो, हम लोग की परदादी, granny, and everything. You have a
Correct.
doubt,
I
just
agree.
go back and ask them. That's the best,
I agree.
way.
Yeah. I agree.
We can get it, like
Yeah.
So
Even I did it.
so those are very good. Yeah. After delivery, you need to tie and wear a belt.
So after a few years, there's no point tying.
No, there's no point tying, but you can do exercises and all and reduce your belly. Yes, you can.
Achha,
And there are many
all
asanas
right.
which you can do and reduce it.
And you can't repeat the same asanas every day. You can do it every alternate day.
Yeah.
Okay. So only Surya Namaskar you can do every day, basically.
Surya Namaskar you
As
can
a
do it
cardio.
every day. Yeah.
Cardio or stretching.
Yes.
Okay. Or anything else, any other asan you can do every day. कि प्राणायाम तो है ही, of course, but otherwise हाँ, वो तो है और सूर्य नमस्कार है. बट व्हाट एल्स डू यू थिंक, अगर जैसे इफ आई एम गोइंग टू गो एंड स्टार्ट माय योगा, तो ऐसा क्या होता है, बिकॉज सिंस मदर्स एंड पीपल, आजकल तो किसी के पास भी टाइम नहीं है. इनफैक्ट मदर्स तो आप छोड़ ही दो, सबके पास टाइम नहीं है. और इस वक्त है टाइम, बट यूटिलाइज करने के लिए टाइम नहीं है ठीक से. तो क्या बेसिकली आप विच आसन विल यू सजेस्ट कि जो आप रोज कर सकते, यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक टू मच, और फिर उसके बाद आप वेरिएशन बेसिकली ऐड कर लें, मे बी बिकॉज फॉर योर बेली, और कोई एक एरिया फोकस करने के लिए, आप कुछ फोकस करने के लिए आप यू कैन थिंक ऑफ दोस आसन्स, बट जो रोज कर सकते हैं, जो करने चाहिए.
See, रोज everyday आसन I would say, like सूर्य नमस्कार आपने कर लिया, स्ट्रेचिंग जैसा हिसाब से कर लिया, या कार्डियो के हिसाब से आपने कर लिया. Then there are few asanas which you can do it every day, like all that. I'm just talking about the belly in the sense intense. अगर आप intense कर रहे हो, अगर जैसे कोर कर लिया, आज सिर्फ आपने कोर ही कर लिया है, नौकासन कर लिया है, आपने प्लैंक कर लिया, तो नेक्स्ट डे रेस्ट देना. बाकी जो योगा, बाकी जो आसन से योगा के सब आप बाकी सब आप रोज कर सकते हो.
ओके. तो ओनली ये 5 आसन नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ. So standing asan कर लिया, आपने तालासन कर लिया, खड़े होके for your ankles. But again, be careful. People who has got ankle problem or they have surgery on their leg on, they should avoid doing that तालासन again. खड़े होके वो कर लिया, फिर आपने वीरभद्रासन का वेरिएशन कर लिया. Like ये सब रोज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. बैठ के वज्रासन कर लिया, मतलब for your digestion and all. Yeah.
Okay. वहाँ वो तो yeah, that we can do. Acha, there's a question. I joined gym to lose fat. I lost weight and got good shape. But after again, I gained. It is same with yoga? Basically, yeah. So basically after she joined gym, she lost weight and got in shape. And अब वापस she's put on because she's unable to work out. So is it the same thing with yoga?
I'll tell you actually, as we grow older, our metabolic rate also decreases. And I would say, suggest and recommend also, you know, the way we eat breakfast, the way we take air to breathe in and on, exercising of our body is very important. So just make it a part of your routine. At least कुछ नहीं तो कम से कम आधा घंटा तो चल या jogging भी कर लीजिए चलेगा. You know that, so that even at your old age you don't have any problem. We start exercising and doing yoga only after when you start having problems. So please don't do that.
True.
So if you are doing exercise, please continue doing exercise. And yeah, I have heard a lot people saying that मैंने gym छोड़ दिया तो weight put on कर लिया. आप छोड़िए मत. And if you keep a balanced diet, and I think it's fine. Like if you keep a balanced diet, after you have lost weight, you keep a balanced diet. You don't get indulged into junk food or anything like that. You maintain a healthy lifestyle and you just continue walking, brisk walk or jogging and all. I don't think you will put on weight. With yoga, not really. Like many people say also with yoga, I don't lose weight. Also, yoga is something which heals you internally. Like I said, if you want to lose weight, you can go for intense yoga, Ashtanga yoga. These are forms of yoga which will help you lose weight. Okay? But yoga is something you will not put on weight or you will not reduce weight or anything. It heals you internally.
Internally.
Yes.
So it increases basically your metabolic rate.
Yeah. So it keeps
So
a balance
of
of
course.
everything.
So internally जो आपकी problems हैं वो सब heal हो जाती हैं. तो of course since I think जो भी आजकल बीमारी है सब पेट से related होती है. And yoga is the only way out to cure you internally.
Yes.
And make you fit, तो I think yoga जो weight loss है या कुछ भी और जो है, that is the outcome of yoga, but not the main intention. Main intention is to make you really, really healthy from inside.
And of course,
Yeah.
like वो लोग बोलते हैं, हम लोग दादाजी मम्मी भी बोले चबा के खाओ. It's
very true.
To chew and eat also the importance.
Chew, yes.
God has given us teeth to chew. What we do is we gulp it and we leave it to our stomach to do all this. Digestion. So
Yes.
a lot of pressure comes on your stomach. So better always chew and eat because it takes time for your brain to send a signal that you are full. Okay, so when you're chewing your food, yes, you're mixing with saliva. If you're eating this much of rice, definitely you will decrease to this much. It has happened to me. Okay, because I used to eat. I'm
Yes.
a rice eater. I'm from Northeast. I love eating rice. But then my son chaba.
अच्छा, but it is normally अभी बहुत सारे dietitians और ये लोग भी सब videos बनाते हैं and then they keep saying it's okay to eat rice and this and that. So is it really okay to eat rice? Because पहले बोलते थे कि राइस नहीं खाना चाहिए and then you put on you. जब डाइट पे कोई आता है तो सबसे पहले बोलते हैं राइस नहीं खाएंगे, हमने राइस छोड़ दिए हैं. So is it important to leave rice or anything?
No, it's completely
You can eat.
fine.
Just the proportion control should be there.
Yeah, every state, like, has the staple food and all. Like, you need to eat which is grown locally. That is the best thing that you can do. Like, भगवान ने भी ऐसे ही बनाया है पूरा सीजन के हिसाब से. Orange winters में आते हैं so that you can have so much of orange that you can have vitamin C for the entire year. It's like that.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
So have seasonal food, everything. If your staple food is rice, please go ahead have rice. Because South Indian, in Northeast, we all eat rice. Like in Punjab,
Yeah.
because they don't eat rice, they're mostly into chapatis and all.
छोले भटूरे.
Yeah.
छोले भटूरे.
Your staple
Chole
food, and like
bhature.
I said, no preservative, anything natural is good for it. And the moment you
Is
chew
good.
and eat, yes. And of course, please move. Like, at least 1 hour a day or 30
Yeah.
second, 30 minutes in a day. At least even if you walk, run, it's really going to help you out. Yeah.
Okay. So is there anything that can cure snoring? Any asana, any particular asana to cure snoring?
You can try doing Simhasan, that is a lion pose. Okay, where you
Okay.
leave your tongue out and then you breathe.
करके दिखाओ, करके
Oh.
दिखाओ.
Don't laugh at me, okay, Saloni? Okay, let me just show it.
Hi Shefali, hi Priyanka.
Try to
So
see.
get ready to get cured for snoring.
Yeah. So you can sit in this, your hand, elbow close to each other like
Okay,
this.
I can't see you properly, by the way. Yeah,
Don't
okay,
laugh at me,
great.
okay, Saloni? So you
I'm,
sit like this, placing your palm on the floor and arch your back, and then you will inhale, okay? Take a deep breath and so you can do this 3-4 times, yeah. So basically,
so, okay.
so that is
So,
something you can try it out. That should help you out.
this
You
is
can try
Singhasan, is it?
Singhasan,
Singhasan.
yeah, lion pose. Okay, so that should
Okay.
help you, and for snoring, and I hope it helps you.
Okay.
And then yeah, you can do pranayam also. Anulom Vilom. You
And
can try.
also, if you have problem in laughing or giggling or anything, watch yourself during doing this.
You can record it
In
and laugh
front
at
of the mirror. In front of the mirror,
yeah.
and then you, खून बढ़ जाएगा आपका, हंस हंस के खून बढ़ जाएगा. ब्लश ऑन की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
This is very good also for people who are oriented, who keeps talking like they give lectures and all.
Okay. Okay.
Singers, people who sing, it's very good. It opens up
Okay.
your,
Oh, okay.
more blood flow to your tongue, to your throat,
Ah.
to your eyes, and in fact, it
Blood
brings
flow
a
तो
glow
I'm
to your
sure it
skin
will
also.
increase.
It brings a glow to your skin
Oh,
also.
wow.
Yeah, it
सबको
does.
करना पड़ेगा, मुझे भी करना पड़ेगा. Acha, but so nowadays, okay, there I have heard a lot of people, having problem. Mostly females, have thyroid, pregnancy thyroid, and then PCOD, and females unable to conceive. So is there anything to help them or get rid of these problems, PCOD or
Yes, so
thyroid?
first
Thyroid तो
and
हमने बात
foremost,
किया ही है.
all this problem arise because of stress. The first thing we should do in our life is to learn to deal with stress. Okay?
deal with deal with
Yes.
husbands, meditate and shut down. That is one thing.
Exactly. Meditate in such a way that even if you look at the river, you can talk and you can just listen as if you're listening and you don't hear a word. See, that brings so much of peace in life.
Oh my god, I'm going to learn it.
No, the most problem all this arise because of stress. Okay, and
I
the best
agree.
way to deal with stress is, again, I said there are a lot many pranayams. Okay, you can do Brahmari. Brahmari
Okay.
pranayam is making the sound of a bee. Okay, and then again, just lie down. Lifting
Don't
your
kill
leg on
me
the
too
wall.
if I tell you to do it again. Please.
Brahmari, yes,
Brahmari.
I can do and show it to you. Okay, so take your thumb. You need to close your ears. Okay, this small ear. You
Okay.
need to
All
press
right.
that with your
Yes.
thumb, with your index finger, eyes,
Yes.
middle finger, nose, ring finger, lips, and then your skin. So these are the 5 senses you link with it, and then you take it. Don't press it. Okay, it's just a gentle touch. So you just
Touch. Touch.
yeah,
Basically.
and then you take a deep breath. So you do 5 times. That really helps to bring your anxiety, stress down.
So you hum basically,
Yes.
or you
Yeah, you
say,
make a sound
or
of
you
the
say
bee.
Om.
You can say Om
Okay.
also, and you can make a sound of the bee also. If you don't want to say Om, it's
So you
perfectly
breathe
fine.
out. So you breathe out,
Breathe out
or
from your nose. Okay, breathe in from your nose and breathe out from your nose. Again, when you do
Okay.
pranayam, please do not pressurize your chest and your back. That is very, very important. Like the people think that if I breathe in, but you're pressurizing your chest. Pranayam is something, if you do it correctly, all the problems will go, because it just balances your energy. It brings a balance in your energy. But if you do it in the wrong way, you're inviting all the problems into it. Okay. So when you're doing pranayam, do not pressurize your chest and your back. You will, everybody has a different way of, inhaling capacity lungs. So you should know
yes,
your
yes.
capacity. You should know your body, understand your body. Okay, so you will not pressurize your chest and your back, like it should not pain. The body should be completely
So okay,
relaxed when you're doing
our
pranayam.
session is just going to end. So quickly, people, I don't think so we can take any more questions, but आप quickly tips बता दो जल्दी से 1 second में कि क्या करना चाहिए. प्राणायाम most important, right?
Yes, pranayam is most important. Please.
And Surya Namaskar is second thing which we
Second thing we
should
should
do.